So CH bonds are one of the strongest bonds in nature, and we are interested in studying chemical reactions that are able to actually break those bonds to then transform, in principle, unreactive molecules into more useful compounds. And so we study specific transition metal catalysts that are able to split a CH bond, and we are interested in getting more insight into how this actually happens at an atomic and at an orbital level. So the splitting of the CH bond takes place via specific orbital interactions with the transition metal catalyst that we are studying. And the SCS instrument is unique in a sense that it can really probe these orbital interactions that we are interested in. It's basically the only instrument in the world that can currently do this, and so this is why we're here. Well, one of the simplest reactions, but also one of the most interesting ones for chemists would be how to turn methane into methanol. And simply speaking, that needs you need to split one CH bond and insert an oxygen into it. Then you have turned methane into methanol. And so this initial step of this CH bond splitting, this is what we are interested in. So the first steps in such a chemical reaction that would be very powerful as a tool to transform an abundant resource like methane into a starting material for the chemical industries. It went very, very good.